for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
So the kids are watching James Dean Pete the Cat at noon. There's actually several, don't mind all the shoes, but there's several Instagram lives that go up at noon for the kids, but I'm going to check our mail because I really need my findings to get here, or I may not be able to finish some new things this week. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. This is exactly what I needed to come in, and this is why supporting Etsy sellers is just so amazing. Not just because I'm an Etsy seller, but because they ship so fast most of the time. But look at all of these, guys. Jump rings! I needed all of them. I'm so happy. This is where I get from Brass Kicker on Etsy. And this is where I get my jump rings, my hexagon jump rings. I got some new copper circle closed jump rings and raw brass. I think everything they sell is raw brass, which means it will patina over time, which, as you can see, oh wait, you can't see. As you can see, I am a big fan of patina, so. Alright, I'm gonna get started and then go out and feed the munchkins. Oh, thank goodness. And then Amazon came through. I was almost out of my bronze lobster clasps, and I needed them so bad. Such perfect timing. It is the little things, for sure, that are making me happy today.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind.
Do you feel all right?
Just a few.
I feel fine. But just look at me.
Like this level.